Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Spotify Premium. So if you are on the app, you have to come back and you have to open any web browser for this and then search for the Spotify and then tap on this spotify.com. Just simply come for this spotify.com, go to this your profile picture in the top left. Now when you are on this page, you just have to simply tap on this login, then log in with your credentials. So when you are logged in the web browser, and now tap on your profile picture in the top left corner, and now simply tap on this view profile. Now what you want to do is scroll down to the subscriptions, and in subscription you then want to go and click on manage plan. You can then see your plan. As you can see, I am on a family plan, but it should be similar. You can just click on change plan, and then what you can do is go into available plan, and you can then go and press on cancel premium here, and your premium will then be cancelled. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.